Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Chhaava drawing. First, let's get our supplies ready. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. We'll begin by sketching very lightly. Think about the basic shapes of a lion cub's head and body. Using simple circles and ovals helps to lay down the foundation for our drawing. Don't press too hard, as these are just guidelines. Now, let's bring our Chhaava to life by adding its facial features. Carefully place the eyes, nose, and mouth, making sure they are proportionate. Remember, a cub's features are often softer and rounder. Next, draw two small, rounded ears on top of its head. Finally, gently sketch the beginnings of a fluffy mane around the face, using soft, curved lines to suggest its texture. With the face taking shape, let's move on to the body. Outline the cub's body, keeping it a bit plump and playful as young animals often are. Next, draw the four paws. Make them look sturdy and grounded, ready for a pounce or a playful stroll. Don't forget the tail. Add a short, tufted tail, curving gently behind your Chhaava. These details really bring out its character. To finalize your Chhaava drawing, carefully erase all the initial guidelines. This cleans up your artwork and makes the main lines stand out. Now, add some light shading to give your cub depth and texture. Think about where the light would hit and where shadows would naturally fall on its fur. This adds a realistic touch. For more drawing tips and other great deals, check the description below. And speaking of great deals, if you're looking for socks that last, you'll find a link to Darn Tough socks there too. They come with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.